Hey, what's up guys? Sora 2 just came out and the videos are insane. Like, it is so realistic up to the point whereby you can't even tell the difference between an AI made video and a real person video because it looks the same. This is not Gemini, this is not ChatGPT, this is not Google VO3, this is Sora 2. It is an entirely different AI. So this is the thing, it came out a few days ago and it's available for only people in the USA. So if you're in a country different from the US, you're going to have to download VPN on your phone to be able to access Sora 2. So if you download the VPN, you're going to be able to find it on your app store. I am in Canada and I have to download the VPN to be able to download Sora 2 on my mobile device. So here's the thing, when you download Sora 2, you're going to need an invite code. So anyone who has access to Sora 2 was given 4 invite codes to be able to invite 4 friends. So luckily I got into Sora 2 and I was given 4 invite codes, and I'm going to be sharing those 4 invite codes with you guys on this video, but you have to stick to the end. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why it's hard for people to get it, but like I got it easily, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 4 codes if you stick to the end of this video. So let's go get the code.
Yeah, so guys, this is my home screen and I'm going to be going into the Sora 2 application I got installed on my phone. So that's the Sora 2 application, and this is my profile page. This is everything. I'm going to be showing you the videos I create, my drafts. These are the videos I created with the Sora 2, and you can see on the left corner there that shows 4 invites. So I'm going to be clicking on that and you're going to be seeing my codes. So make sure you are ready now, and here you go. So this is the first code, so you have to be able to use this first before they can give me access to the remaining code. So this is the code PKC4SB. So I want you guys to you make sure you use this code, and if it works for you, make sure you type in the comment section it worked out for you, so I can be able to share the remaining code in the comment section. So yeah, this is basically it. Is this easy? It is very just like this. This is one of the codes, and if you can use this, I'm going to be left with 3 codes. So make sure you let me know if this code work out for you in the comment section. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah guys, that's basically it. Let me know if the codes work out for you. If the codes work out for you, comment in the comment section and let me know it's actually worked out for you. It's just 4 codes, so the lucky person got the code, and please, I want to know if it actually worked out for you. And make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what you think, okay? And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.